Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, where did I really come from? For decades, we've been told a simple story. All modern humans originated from a single population in Africa. It's a neat, tidy narrative. But what if I told you that the latest breakthroughs in ancient DNA are flipping that story on its head? It turns out the origin is far more complex, and frankly, way more fascinating than we ever imagined. A groundbreaking study, analyzing genomes from diverse African populations, has just dropped a bombshell. Instead of one single birthplace for Homo sapiens, the evidence two. Imagine two distinct, yet interconnected streams of humanity flowing through the vast African continent for hundreds of thousands of years. These weren't isolated groups. They were part of a sprawling network, a humanish web that stretched across Africa. The researchers call this a weakly structured stem model. Picture it like a braided river, with different channels occasionally merging, separating, and then coming back together again. These two core populations were the main channels, contributing the bulk of the ancestry that would eventually form all of us. This wasn't a quick event, but a long, slow dance of migration and mixing that played out over an immense timescale. So, how did they figure this out? By creating a sophisticated model and testing it against the genetic data of living. They looked at modern populations from southern, western, and eastern Africa, as well as a group from Eurasia. The model that best explained the genetic diversity we see today was one with two founding populations. It's like being a genetic detective, piecing together a million-year-old puzzle using clues hidden inside our own cells. This discovery changes every old out-of-Africa model, where a small group of humans left Africa and populated the world, is too simple. The reality is that the diversity that fueled this global expansion was forged much earlier, within Africa, through the mixing of these ancient populations. It explains why we see variation within Africa more than anywhere else on Earth. It's the legacy of this ancient, interwoven network. Think about what this means. There wasn't one single Garden of Eden. Instead, the cradle of humanity was the entire African continent. Our species didn't pop in one place and at one time. We were a work in progress, a mosaic of different groups who, through migration, interaction, and mixing, gradually became the Homo sapiens we are today. It's a story of connection, not isolation. One of the coolest parts is how this new model helps us understand mysterious fossils. For a long time, paleontologists have been puzzled by skulls found across Africa from the same time period that look very different from each other. How could they all be part of our direct lineage? This braided stream model provides the answer. These fossils likely represent the physical diversity of those different stem populations coexisting across the continent. It all starts to make sense. Fossils are finally telling the same, more intricate story. So, the next time you think about human origins, don't picture a simple family tree with one straight trunk. Instead, visualize that beautiful, complex, braided river. Our roots are not singular. They are plural, woven together from at least two ancient sources that flowed and mingled across the vast, dynamic landscape of ancient Africa. Our story is richer and more connected than we ever knew. It's a powerful reminder that diversity isn't a recent phenomenon. It's been at the very core of our species from the very beginning. Thanks for joining me on this journey back in time. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our past. See you in the next one.